Aloha and good morning, folks. Bob Rogers here. We're on another tour. We're heading up towards that mountain range, the Koolau Mountain range, and we're going to go to a park called Hoomalahia Botanical Gardens, and we'll have a nice, beautiful ride through a very lush forest. So grab a bottle of water. Let's go. Have you guys ever heard of the Stairway to Heaven? No, not the Led Zeppelin song. But there's on that ridge over there, there is a ladder. Well, I say there is, it could be was because they're going to take it down. But there's a ladder, oh God, what did my wife tell me? 200 steps or something like that, that climbs all the way up to the top of that ridge. And some reason, when my kids were 8 and 9 years old, we took them up on that thing, and my wife joined us as well as some cousins. We were looking at pictures the other day and we still can't believe we did that. But now it's too dangerous. The ladder's falling apart and they're going to take it down. I think it makes sense. Hoomalahia. It's a very popular park, especially when we get this kind of sunshine. The bicyclists and walkers can get in a little early. I should have known that. Oh well. Well, there sure are a lot of signs saying no cameras, but they won't know that this is a camera. It's just part of the bike. I guess the last time I did this was, I want to think 6, 7, 8 years ago. Well, it's a relatively short ride today, about 10 miles round trip, and maybe we'll take off and do a little exploring on some off-road trails. It'd be gorgeous. It's a very hilly ride though, so we're going to be using electric assist when needed. But if you guys are just regular bikers without assist, it's doable. I did it for, gosh, 10, 20 years. Now I'm an old man, so I'm going to use that electric assist. Anyway, beautiful scenic with the Koolau Mountain range to our right as we ride through the Botanical Gardens. Sit back and relax, enjoy. Good morning. Gorgeous. What are the odds they're going to let me fly a drone in here with this no camera thing? You know, might not hurt just to ask them. Well, this is close to being a rainforest. We're going to do a couple other rides later on that we're really in a rainforest. But good morning.
Rest your head, 'cause it's all pow. Close your eyes now, it's all pow. Go to sleep, darling, it's all pow.
This tree is called a lahala, and every single leaf is full of thorns. Not removable, just sharp, jagged edges. They sure have a lot of those here. This is a mountain fern. I don't know the name of it, but you see them at higher altitudes. Well, I think we got one big long hill left. Well, you see that guy walking there? Well, he and I had a great little discussion at the end of the road. One of the things he wanted to know was the difference between a bike and a trike. And I said, you know, I can't fall out of this thing, it's safe. Well, remember those words. Well, we've turned around and we've got a nice downhill here. A little fun for us. Hey guys, how you doing? Riding through the Botanical Gardens. You know, they do have little placard signs on a lot of these plants, so if you do want to find out what they're all about, they're just go to the base of the tree and or plant and you'll see them. Yeah, parking lot's getting crowded. A lot of day hikers. Let's go take a ride over there. See what everybody's looking at. All right, we're going to do a little off-roading here. We're going to go and check out some of these viewpoints that are absolutely gorgeous. Well, it looks like we've stumbled on a wedding here. I wonder how many weddings are done every day in Hawaii. I know we see tons of them everywhere. La 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 la. Ooh, da, 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 da.
Your dreams will take you past the days long and gone. Don't you let.
Gorgeous. I just love being with all this green, all this fresh air. Thank you, Mother Nature, for providing some sun today.
Rest your head, 'cause it's all pow. Close your eyes now, it's all pow. Go to sleep, darling, it's all pow. Hey, hey, moi, moi, hey. It's all pow. Rest your head, 'cause it's all pow.
Okay, we're off-roading now. Ah, very nice. Very nice. So we're on this dirt trail, and let's hope that it takes us down to the lake or pond, the backside of it. Okay, I think we're there. This is cool.
Is fading slowly, and the day is over. Rest your head, 'cause it's all pow. Close your eyes now, it's all pow.
Some
Go to sleep, darling, it's all pow.
of Mother Nature's finest, I would say.
It's all pow. to sleep, darling, it's all pow. Hey, hele, moi, moi, hey. It's all pow. Rest your head, 'cause it's all pow. Close your eyes now, it's all pow. Go to sleep, darling, it's all pow. Hey, hele, moi, moi, hey. It's all pow. Hey.
Well, we had a great view, a ride around the lake. It was gorgeous, and now we're heading back up to the top. And I didn't realize above us is the visitor center, and that's the path I'm going on. Well, I hop on this path, and there's a lot of people on the path, so I decide that I'm going to try to take this route up the grass and stay away from the tourist folks, let them have the path. But it's a steep hill, and the grass is freshly mowed and very wet, because we are in a rainforest. And I'm greeted by a worker from the visitor center who tells me that I'm not supposed to be on the grass. Okay, well, I didn't see any signs. I came up from the trail on the other side of the lake. Anyway, so I start making it up, try to get up there, and this is what happens. Well, can I get up to a road there or no? I could go here. Oh, I guess I can't. I just, oh! Oh. So, quite a fall there. Fortunately, I had my 360 camera, and I have all these different angles in slow motion that we can look at. Yeah, that's me. All right, there he goes. And there go another one. Okay, that's lots of grace and style here. Here's another view. Okay, there we go. Well, I don't know if you can see on this steep incline that there's a slight depression. And as I rolled back, my left tire hit that, and that's how I turned over. I was trying to avoid the people. Oh.
But we ask that you don't bring a bike down here at all.
Really? I want to thank you, ma'am, for your concerns. I know you must realize that 110-pound bike rolled on top of me and I sprained my wrist. But that's okay. You worry about your grass, okay? No problem. But we have a bigger tragedy here, folks. Poor sweet Angelina. She's all bent out of shape on this thing. So we're gonna have to send her to emergency and get her all fixed up. But life goes on. We're rolling again, folks. We're rolling. Well, here's the report. Sweet Angelina's gonna do fine. She's coming around really good. And the other happy news I have to report is that the trike's okay. Fortunately, it landed on me, and we only had a slightly bent mirror. Despite the snafus on today's ride, it's very important that we put on a happy face. All right. Good morning. Well, that was a great excursion to Hoomalahia, Botanical Gardens here in Kaneohe. Hope you guys enjoyed the ride. Looking forward to our next episode. You guys be good. Have a great week. Aloha.
It's all power. Hey, it's all power.